Alright, YouTube. Alright, YouTube. Edward Tyndall and Sarah Tyndall. And we are fixing to Shark Tank this male because I'm worried for his safety. I'll have Sarah hold and try to film that for me, the process that I'm going to go through. I don't want nothing to happen. Make sure you're watching.
Why don't you use the other small one that I had for you? That way you can get him in that and then transport.
Okay, that's a good idea. Don't miss how this is going. She might come to bite me. She knows he's in here. And this is a dangerous setting and situation. I can't really see what I'm doing. Am I getting him?
No, he's down here now.
Oops.
And...
Come on. Got you. Got you. Film what's going on. Film what's going on. Come on. Oh. Don't bite me. Where is it? You got him. Oh. Hold on. Don't slap him.
I'm not slapping.
He's priceless. He cannot be replaced. He cannot be replaced. Don't give me my vein. You won't live. Hold on. Don't do nothing. Don't do nothing. I'll handle this. Baby, you watch that camera.
I'm watching.
Let go of that. I'll handle this. I don't want to be dead. He's scared because he knows there's a female present. Not that he will bite, but he might. Can I get this in here? Here's this lovely male. Gonna leave him in here. He can still be receptive. Here, him in here. He can still be very receptive to her. And it will be fine. He'll be absolutely fine in here. Now, he's going to be making a sperm web if you don't have one already, which you might do because of the way he's acting. I'll take this out of here. And again, I advise you do not touch these kind of spiders. I do things differently than most people, but I'm a lot tougher than a lot of people, so it is what it is. And y'all just wish the best. Next time I do decide to release him out of here, is going to be when she's acting more receptive. She's either going to molt or she's not going to molt. If she starts tapping with him, there will be another video. So y'all stay tuned and thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I'm going to up the humidity in here just a little bit. I've got deep cocoa substrate, a living plant that's dying, isopods, springtails, everything in here, complete ecosystem going on, and it's been doing good now for over a year. Has not crashed yet. Stay tuned, people, and if you're just now watching this video, be sure and watch the one prior to this where you almost see her kill him. You know why this is going on. If you see he's still tapping, he's being responsive. I'm going to leave them alone and see what happens. Edward Tyndall out.